Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel policyplanner.com. So friends, in today's date, health insurance has been very important aspect which can affect our financial planning. In this video, we shall explain you how you can buy health insurance online and secure your friends and family. In our last video, we discussed about the Star Health Mediclassic individual plan. So, in this video, we shall discuss about the Religare Care Health Insurance Plan. So, let's have a quick look towards our website. As now we are on the home page of our website, which offers you all type of insurance such as health insurance, term insurance, car insurance, bike, travel, investment plans and many more. We are an authorized web aggregator having a license number 22 by the IRDAI. We have a rating of 98% till date. You can refer to our articles and blogs for the exact informations of various types of insurance. So now let's see the tie-up. We have a tie-up of more than 27 plus insurance companies which are proved to be on top. So friends, as we all know the situation of our world now, globally more than 5 million people are affected by coronavirus. So we all know the seriousness of hospitalization. Through such type of health insurance, we can secure our friends and family. So now let's come to the main point, how to buy Religare Care Plan online. The first step will start from selecting the health insurance option. The second page will be displayed in which we should fill in our mandatory details such as the name, last name and the mobile number. So friends, in the third page we will fill in our family number. We shall take it as 2 plus 2, that is the husband, the wife, that's the spouse and 2 children. In the fourth page we will fill in the eldest age as 40, the cover amount is 10 lakh and our pin code. As we can see, our website will show a number of plans for comparison depending upon the increasing premium amount. We shall now discuss about the Religare Care Plan. So our first concern is about the company. Religare is the stand-alone health insurance company which provides in-house claim settlement ratio of 93%. Now friends, the organization has just the best health insurance company. Now let's go to the plan brochure which includes all the details about the company. Here are the advantages of the plan. We can opt the plan up to 75 lakh. There is annual free health checkup for the members in the policy. It covers the non-allopathic treatments such as homeopathy, Ayurveda, etc. It offers you a maternity cover of 1 lakh for the policy above 50 lakh. You can opt this plan for 1, 2 and 3 years of this plan. If you take the plan for 2 years, you will get a discount of 7.5% and for 3 years, you will get a discount of 10%. The pre-existing diseases are covered after 4 years of policy. It provides you a daily allowance of Rs 500 for the expenses of family. It provides you a no-claim bonus up to 50% after every claim-free year up to 100% of sum assured. They have more than 8,000 plus cashless hospitals all over India. They provide you the facility of second opinion. Your treatment shall be taken into consideration after 24 hours of hospitalization. For the daycare procedures which are covered within 24 hours are also covered within this plan. The treatment at home, which is known as the domiciliary expenses, are also covered at 10% of sum assured. The pre and the post hospitalizations are also covered. For pre-hospitalization, they provide 30 days and for post-hospitalization, they provide 60 days. The non-medical expenses will also be covered. They provide tax benefit under the section 80D. You can renew the policy with increasing sum assured. They also provide organ donor cover. In this policy, they provide a single private room rent. They provide ICU rent up to 2% of the sum assured. These were the great advantages of the plan. So now let's discuss about the waiting periods and the exclusions. The pre-existing diseases will have a waiting period of 48 months, that is 4 years after the date of inception of the policy as per the IRDAI norms. The self-injuries such as suicide, alcoholic damages such as drink and drive, and other diseases such as HIV will not be covered. Now let's have a look at the below chart. The minimum entry age has no bar, which means any group age can opt for the policy. The renewals can be done lifelong. The age of 60 plus has a co-payment of 20%. The initial waiting period for diseases is 30 days and the accidental cover is from day 1. They provide you the grace period of 30 days if any thought to cancel the policy. So now let's have a look to how to buy the policy. So our first step will start from clicking the Religare Care plan. So our first page will be displayed, in which first we have to action. The proposer information will start from the title, the gender, the first name, the last name, the mobile number, the mail ID, your date of birth. Then there will be age and the height and weight. So here we are entering all the information required. You can add your mail ID so that the information will be given on your mail ID. Enter the date of birth. Your weight, your height, the inch, and we'll proceed the next. So there comes the spouse information. In the spouse information, we will also enter the details which we have been added in the proposal. Now comes the child information. The child information should be given as per the dependent son, the dependent daughter, etc. So after that, we'll click on the next button. The next will come to the tenure of the policy. So second year you will get a discount of 7.5%, and on the third year you will get a discount of almost 10%, and the premium will be 57,812 rupees. Now we'll click on the next option. So the next option, we will see the contact informations. So we will add in our address, the address line 2 and the address line 3. We will enter in our state such as Maharashtra, the second as our city as the Pune, and our city pin code. We will enter in a correct pin code for the hospitalization, then our nominee details, the relation of the nominee, and next. So now we will get a chart which will ask you some information about our medical history. We have to enter the exact information, as we are not going through any medical checkup. The medical checkup is only done above 45 years. So please enter the exact information whichever asked by the company. If it is yes, add yes. If it is no, add no. So now we'll finish this. And after that, on the another page, we will find in our payment details. So you can do your payment and your policy copy will be given on your mail ID. Such a easy process. So friends, if you find our video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share the video to your friends and family. Thank you for your valuable time.